Unscrupulous rice traders, middlemen, and retailers are exploiting the special and premium labels on imported rice to arbitrarily and unilaterally raise prices and fleece the Filipino consumer and public. So the DA is willing to strip the labels of imported rice off and or declare a food security emergency to ultimately bring down the cost of imported staple grains, as PTV's Clazel Padilla narrates in this report.
Special rice is what Rogelio usually buys because aside from its fragrance, it is also delicious when cooked. He is cautious when choosing this type of rice, especially since it is expensive.
Naka-experience na ako ng ganyan. Kasi pag espesyal yan, pero pag amoy mo, wala namang amoy. Pero yung tunay, siyempre mabango pag inaamoy. Yun, at saka tinitingnan din kung ano ba, wala bang mga halo. Yan, o naninilaw.
According to the price monitoring of the Department of Agriculture, imported rice that is well milled is priced at 40 to 46 pesos per kilo. Special rice ranges from 52 to 60 pesos, while premium rice is sold at 54 to 64 pesos. The Agriculture Department believes the price of imported rice is too high. To lower the cost, the DA is planning to remove labels from imported rice. The premium and special labels on imported rice are allegedly being used as excuse to manipulate and increase rice prices.
Halimbawa, ang landed niya 40 lang. Pero dahil gagawin nila, ibabrand nila premium or special, at ganito yung brand, ang magiging presyo niya higher, nagiging nakita namin 60 plus. Parang sobra-sobra yung profit na nakukuha nila. Talagang naabuso yung paglalagay ng premium at special.
Mari Deto has been selling rice for decades, said she only adds 2 pesos per kilo for imported rice.
Hindi namin ilalagay ang hindi special. Magtatanong ang tao, ano ba itong binili ko? Bakit mahal? Special yan eh. Mas madaling maintindihan yun dahil yung pera nila may katumbas na special, yung price.
For now, the DA is also considering declaring a food security emergency to ease the high prices of rice. This could allow the National Food Authority to release buffer stocks of rice or authorize the FTI to import large quantities of rice to compete with importers.
Dalawa kasi yung condition dun eh. Una ay kulang yung supply, pangalawa yung mataas yung presyo. Kagaya ngayon, nakikita natin na mataas ang presyo. So that's a possibility. Kailangan NPCC ang magre-recommend kay Secretary, and si Secretary can declare food emergency upon careful recommendation.
From PTV Manila, Clazel Padilla, Balitang Pambansa.